the mass ordinate of the initial point. The pre-of distance is theta right, cubic meter. The mass ordinate of the summit mass diagram from 10 plus 000 to 10 plus 600 are negative 60 cubic meter and negative 140 cubic meter. Compute the length of Ito na yung problem dahil ka namin count. Gawa kita mga weeks ang una. Isa ka problem. Huwag bili matunan po. Yung formula. Ngayon, ang ginamit ko is the pre-hole distance plus cost of arrow, cost of all. And this is the cost of all is per meter station. Cubic times S, for S is the standard niya is 20 meter per station. Okay, based on give a problem, field distance is ilan eh? 50. Cost of arrow 500. Cost of all 25. Then that is per meter station times standard 20. Therefore, limit of economic value
450.
450 meters. Usually, balibali lang yun. Next, letter B.
Compute the mass ordinate.
Compute the mass ordinate of the initial point of the limit of economic all the total cost calling is 171. Note the problem kanina, ang overall distance is from this point to, ang overall volume. Volume overall is mass ordinate of real distance, initial mass ordinate of real distance, subtracted, right? Mass ordinate of the limit of economic 910 minus 350. And this time, ibali na. Given a mass ordinate of real distance, pagkita ang required mass ordinate of limit of economic zone. But we need the volume of overhaul. First, so volume of overhaul, time price get up, and this is a problem that is 171,000 190 of course pesos. How much is the cost of haul? Cost of haul per meter stage per cubic meter? 25. So this is 25. So wala na ito pesos. And this is a unit niya is 25 pesos per meter station. Then per cubic meter per meter station. Per cubic meter. Ano na slash nila to? Per meter station. Station. Then per cubic meter pag yun. Ang dapat mag-multiply tayo yung per meter station para cancel eh. And that is 20 meters up. That is per station siya. And that is 20 meters per station. 20 meters per station. Ito S. Ano, divide. So, denominator, ano? 20 meter per station. O cancel. Interview. Then times pag yung limit of economic count. And based on, I mean, overhaul, length of overhaul, length of overhaul. Okay, overhaul, cost of overhaul method palitan. We're talking about overhaul. So that is 201.40 meters as cancel kilometers. Then multiply the tanan. Para mag-cancel yung cubic meter ni volume of overhaul. Cancel. Kilometer. Volume of overhaul is 680 cubic meter, which is in kung i-relate sa problem kanina, dapat sa sini. Ano, tatong difference nila from 900. O kanina dapat difference natin 680 ni. So therefore, kanina value, initial that is the mass ordinate of the initial point of LAH. Therefore, mass ordinate of initial point of limit of economic count must be equal to, what is the ordinate of trial distance? 800? 800 cubic meter minus 680 cubic meter, and that is equal to 120 cubic meter. And lastly, let us see total cost of
Waste.
Total cost of waste is just cost of waste. What is the cost of waste and the volume of waste? What is the cost of waste? Given. That is the waste of
500.
borrow.
500.
So,
The cost of
that's the
borrow
waste of cost of borrow. That is the cost
is
of
500. Cost of borrow.
excavation. That is the cost of excavation. 650 per cubic meter. So 650 pesos per cubic meter. That's the volume per cubic meter.
Excavation.
And known the volume, na-arrive ko na ito kanina, that is from still the limit of mass ordinate to the limit of economic count, which is kung itong the answer kanina sa letter B, that is 120. So 120 minus, this is the volume, I'm talking this one, this is the volume, minus the final point of the station. What is the station 600? Last point of the station, 10 plus 600, that is the negative 140. Negative 140. So that is negative 140. So mag-plus yan ulit. Pila na ni?
169,000.
Okay. Kaya, 650 na siya. 650.
117.
120 and 140. 120 plus 140, that is, huh? 140 minus
140 minus 60. From or
Nakana yung minus 60, di rin nag-start. Kumbaga, ang graph dapat sa kaduha ng problem, di rin negative. 16 na nag-start, di rin positive. 100 man. Kumbaga, musaka mo na siya. Ang sakto. Kaya-waste mo po niya. Okay, 120 plus 60 plus I mean, waste mo na niya. Waste mo na. O, dili na. Dili na. Sayap to. Dili ni siya 140, this is 60. So, baro mo na niya na speakers eh. So, we're talking about this is 60. Sakto na niya, 180 times 60.
yes, sir.
Bila?
117,000.
Ano? Baro na yung concept sa